Nice to be back in the wilderness. Alright, here we go. Nice 4-day walk through the Indian Peaks. First stop today, Jasper, Devil's Thumb Lake area, the Boxer Mountain. Tomorrow we'll make our way down to Caribou Lake, the Arapahoe Creek drainage area. The next day we'll make our way probably halfway up Buchanan Pass to Fox Park, and then 4th day we will hike out to where the car is. We had some friends of ours follow us, drop our car off at Camp Dick, then drove us all the way back to the Hessie Trailhead, and now we are starting our trek all the way back. Let's see what adventures await.
sorry.
Alright. Been slogging away at this uphill climb, listening to elk bugle down in the valley. Pretty cool. But now we got ourselves to the cutoff for Diamond Lake over to Boxer Mountain and or Jasper and Devil's Thumb. We're going to opt to continue climbing and head over to Boxer. This is tough.
It's very tough.
We haven't been doing anything, so
First since my sciatica.
this is
Tough?
been a pretty tough climb.
Mia says, yeah, it's been very hard.
Yeah, it looks like it's been really tough on you
Oh,
guys.
it's been really tough.
I mean, yeah, you look exhausted there, Lainey.
She says, oh, I am hard to get home.
Yeah, I think you're about to fall asleep from boredom.
She's like, no, Daddy, I'm not bored. I'm just, you know. Whew.
All right, still got lots of daylight, so let's head up to Boxer and see what happens there. Great weather so far, I'll tell you what.
It is
Nice
beautiful
mild temps, sun's not too hot,
Sky
clear
is
skies.
beautiful.
I love the bugling elk, that's been cool, man. I mean, nothing says fall like bugling elk in the mountains. Pretty darn cool. All right, let's do this.
Oh, so that's Diamond Lake, huh?
Yeah, we're heading up over to Boxer.
Ah, got you.
Definitely not the best campsite we've ever had, but not the worst. Pitch is doable. I'd say for day one, that was pretty good. What we do? We started at Hessie Trailhead, went to the Devil's Thumb Cutoff, then we made our way over to the DeBoxer Mountain Diamond Lake Cutoff, went over DeBoxer Mountain, nearly killed us because we haven't been hiking in a long time. So that was really hard, but we got it done. Got over to Diamond Lake on the other side, went past that, and we're almost to the Arapahoe Pass Trail. Tomorrow we'll get up and head down the Caribou Lake and up the Arapahoe Creek drainage towards Monarch Lake and decide from there what we're going to do. That said, have a good night from the Indian Peaks Wilderness.